Xero makes invoicing your clients and getting paid a fast and seamless process. When you email your customer an invoice, they can access the invoice online and pay with the click of a button. And if they use Xero too, they can even save the invoice directly into their Xero organization. We call this online invoicing. Go to the Accounts menu and select Sales to get to the Sales dashboard. The graphs and charts make it easy to see who's owing what and when, so you know who to follow up on. You can search by contact, invoice number, reference, and there's other filters to add to the search criteria. You can see the different status of your invoices and what's overdue. Drilling down will take you to your full invoice listing, where you can navigate by tabs and sortable columns. By clicking on the expected date on an invoice, you can flag when you're expecting the payment to arrive, which will reflect on the money coming in figures on your dashboard to help you keep a handle on cash flow. To create an invoice, go to New, where all your invoicing options are. Enter the customer name, date, and that sort of thing. Put in enough description for your customer and code it to your accounts. Use items if it's something you'll be invoicing a lot of to save you typing it in every time. Attach a contract or any other related document from the file icon, or just drag and drop them straight in. These don't get sent to your client, they're part of attaching source documents to your transactions in Xero for your reference. You can save as a draft and come back to it later, or submit it for approval if someone else needs to scan their eye across it before it goes out to the client. Or just go straight to Approve. Then up at the top, click on Email to send to your client. You can choose from customized email templates to standardize your messages. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once the client receives the email, the link takes them to an online invoice, which they can pay immediately by clicking on the Pay Now button. Just beneath that, they can query or comment on the invoice. They can print off a PDF or create a CSV file of the invoice if need be. We're going to click Save to demonstrate what this does. If your client uses Xero, they can choose Login and save the invoice into their Xero organization as a draft bill. Of course, you can do the same if you receive a Xero online invoice from one of your suppliers. If they don't use Xero, they can choose the other option to create a free login, which will provide them with some useful features at no cost. For example, it will store their invoices for them under Messages, this envelope icon. It will also enable them to view their entire statement online and pay off any other invoices they might owe. And if your client does want the benefits of cloud accounting, well, they can start using Xero for their business by going up to My Xero and click on Add Your Business, which will take them through the setup process. Great for getting paid faster, great for the client as they have access to their invoices online and can save them directly into their own Xero organization without having to rekey. When you click into the invoice, you can see from the history if the customer has viewed the invoice sent to them. No more excuses like they didn't receive the email. To get your branding on the invoices, navigate to Invoice Settings. Here you can create as many branding themes as you like, and choose from these when you create an invoice. So your invoices have your logo and terms and payment advice on them. You can also add a payment service from a growing list of them that we support, and link that to your invoice branding themes so customers can pay your online invoices. Edit the branding theme and assign a payment service you've set up so when customers click on that Pay Now button on your online invoices, they can pay immediately. And if you want to boost the profile of your business using social media links on your invoices, you can do that in Organization Settings. Just add your social media links and they will appear on your invoices like so. Nice. Now you have what you need to get started invoicing your clients, and with online invoicing, you can dramatically improve the time it takes to get them paid.